Well, welcome back everybody. So today I got the shop all cleaned up, got all the oil floor mess put away and cleaned up, and we're gonna get this guy out. Anything really sound better than a 2-cylinder? No more fun. So beautiful. I really need to put a fuel shut off on this, but so far it's been starting pretty good. So, also, if anybody wants to buy a Kinze planter, it's for sale. It's trying to upgrade. Edgar, ready to get something done today? Huh? Yeah? Alright. This seat project's gonna be the death of me. That's why we can't get nothing done, because we're playing with the dogs.
Drop it.
Well, you gonna finish your seat?
No.
Why not?
Because you can do it.
No, you offered, you wanted to help. It's waiting for you.
You can go first.
I got it ready for you.
What's so funny?
Might have to clean out underneath of it first. I cleaned a little bit out. What?
That's not clean.
That's clean enough for me.
That is not clean. That's not clean.
It is clean.
No, it's not. Good news. We made some progress on the seat. Bad news. I may have lost a couple of the nuts down in the rest of the seat. Anyways, though, Ty was able to help me. Hi, Dodgy. Was able to help me get the buddy seat, trainer seat, and the back and the armrest off. And we have made some progress. We can lift the seat. You can look in there. There's only one more bolt, which you have to like contort yourself around the seat. But it's supper time and I need to go make some garlic bread. So I'm gonna quit for the day and maybe Ty will finish it, but I doubt it. So, what do you think, boys? Ready for supper? I take that as a yes.
On the agenda today, replace some batteries, get the seat cushion out. We'll see how that goes. I heard it's not fun, so we did need to get new batteries. decided to clean these connections up a little bit better, and I think they turned out pretty good. 5-year-old batteries, Edgar. Already changing them. It's probably pretty good nowadays. We did get some goodies from Lowe's. I decided to order a bunch of fence ties. I tell you what, for being February 4th, this is some beautiful weather. Ain't it, Dad? Anyways, not much exciting stuff has been happening lately. Just waiting for springtime. Kind of looking forward to it. But today, we're gonna haul this cab down the road. We're gonna get it sandblasted. This is my dad's pride and joy. He's worked hard on it, I'll give him credit. A lot of fabrication work, and excited to see how it looks when it's done. So my family comes from a long line of antisocial people, so we don't really talk a whole lot, and me and my dad can probably make a trip down south and probably say a couple sentences to each other, not too awkward. So he's ready and excited. Ready? Why are you holding your belly? Are you gonna get your top half? Yeah. Back up a little bit. Yeah. Looks like Lizzie gave up on the seat cushion operation for the day, but she got somewhat far. It is probably easier to take the whole seat out through the window, but I like making stuff hard myself. And now it's Tuesday, even more gorgeous of a day. So that means the shop door stays open while we fiddle out here. Watch some athleticism. What?
Good, nice job.
So not much going on around here, just a quick little video showing the last couple weeks, and hope you all are having a good time and staying safe.